Hello class 3. So in our previous class we had learned about secondary memory devices. So today we will continue. We know that there are many secondary devices: CD, DVD, Blu-ray, pen drive, memory card, hard disk, external hard disk. So today we will know about it briefly. CD. The full form of CD is compact disc. It is a portable storage device that stores data permanently. Its storage capacity is up to 700 MB. It is cheaper than other storage devices. DVD. The full form of DVD is Digital Versatile Disc. It is also a portable storage device. These are similar to CDs, but these have more capacity to store data. Blu-ray disc. It is a scratch-resistant disc that can safely store data for a long time. It uses blue-violet laser light. Next is pen drive. It is a portable storage device that can be carried in a pocket. It is also called flash drive or USB drive. We can use pen drive to transfer data from a computer to another computer. Memory card. This is also known as multimedia card. It is a storage device generally used in mobile phone, tablets, digital cameras, etc. Hard disk. It is the main secondary storage device that stores large amount of data permanently. It is present inside the CPU box. Hard disk stores operating system software, application software and all other files and folders saved in our computer. External hard disk. This hard disk is connected externally to a computer through a USB port, just like pen drive. It can store large amount of data just like an internal hard disk, but this can be